guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the error code 0x426-0x0 that can pop up while using Microsoft 365 apps on Windows PC like Windows 10 or Windows 11. So when you are activating the Office app, so this error will occur, okay? Usually, don't worry, I am here to help you. So let's get started to the solution. So before we jump to the solution, let's quickly talk about what causes this error. Usually this will happen when Microsoft Office can't properly connect to your Microsoft account. It can also cause by corrupted files or outdated software, okay? So let's get started one by one to this solution. First you need to check your internet connection, okay? After, if the internet connection is not good, at that time you can definitely face this type of problem. First you need to check the internet connection. And one more thing is this, guys, you need to log out and log in your Microsoft account one time, okay? After doing this, guys, now you can try this method. Hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. This is a shortcut key to open the settings. In the settings, go to apps, go to install apps. From here you need to find out Office 365 app. So just click on three dots. Here you can get the advanced option. Here you can get the option to repair, okay? Scroll down and find out repair. So just click on repair. So here it will show you online repair or offline repair. You need to try this both method one by one, okay? And few more basic option is available here. Here you can get the option to reset. If you want to reset it, just click on reset button, okay? After doing this, guys, in the Windows settings, go to Windows update, click on check for updates. If that update is available, simply go ahead, update your PC. After updating, hopefully this will helps you to fix your problem. Still, in case you're facing the same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now you need to hold Windows key button and press R from your keyboard, and here in the run box you need to type percentage program data percentage slash Microsoft slash office slash, and then click on OK. It will open this folders. So from here you need to find out the license folder. If the license folder is listed here, showing here, just you need to delete that folder, okay? After doing this, guys, restart your PC and check your issue was solved or not. In case still you are facing the same type of problem, now you need to uninstall and restore the Microsoft Office 365 apps, okay? So this is the last and final solution, okay? So that's it today, guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.